Next, we have Amit Prabhu. So, can you please unmute and Amit Prabhu? Yeah. So, Amit Prabhu and family. So, Prabhuji, so they are connected to a Gita Writing Society, Gauranga Center. And Amit Prabhu is an adjunct faculty in NTU, one of the leading universities in Singapore.
Okay.
And then he leads a very good initiative, major initiative by His Holiness Bhakti Purushottam Maharaj, the tribal care.
I know. Tribal Care Initiative of ISKCON.
Yeah.
I have a brochure of the Tribal Care Unit, and one of my students is working with Maharaj.
Yeah.
His name is Mukund Lila Prabhu in IIT Kharagpur. So he's working with Maharaj, and Maharaj gave a presentation of 2 hours presentation on tribal care to all of us. Very wonderful work. They have taken the tribals and made them into first-class Vaishnavas by 5 initiatives: health care and clothes and the food and education, along with that Krishna consciousness. So Prabhuji is assisting Maharaj in that, is it?
Yes, yes. And also Prabhuji and Mataji, both of them actively participate in NTU preaching also, and they give classes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wonderful. And Prabhuji's name is Raji. What is his name?
Amit Gupta Prabhu.
Amit Prabhu.
Okay, Prabhuji, thank you very much. So thank you for the very nice class. And we have known you for a while, but did not have opportunity to interact with you. We had Bhagavatam for about 1 decade, but we did not do very regular recitations. Only last couple of months, Anjali and I have started reading Bhagavatam together every morning after our Mangala Aarti. And but now with the blessing, your blessing, and we have taken CC and Leelamrita. So we want to study Leelamrita together as a family after 7 p.m. in the evening together when we finish our work. So
very happy, very wonderful to know. You have a regulated life of reading Bhagavatam and doing Mangalarti, and you want to add Leelamrita to that. It's very wonderful to hear, Prabhu. Very good example. Thank you. And what's your little daughter's name?
Heshwi Prabhuji.
What is her name? Again? Keshavi?
Yes, Prabhuji. Yeah.
Okay. So for Keshavi, I will tell something interesting from Bhagavatam. So Keshavi, you can repeat what I'm saying. You say little done.
Say little done.
Lord one. You remember this formula, little done, Lord one. I'll tell you what it is. There is one shloka in Srimad Bhagavatam. Shri Rupini Kvanayati Charana Ravindam Leelambujena Harisad Manimukta Dosha Samlakshate Svatika Kudyakupeta Vemni Sammarjativa Yadanu Grahaninya Yatnaha. What the verse says? In the spiritual world, Vaikuntha, there is Lakshmi ji. She's wearing a very costly sari. She's wearing necklaces, very nice earrings, very beautiful ornaments in her bangles in her hand, and nupur in her leg, everything. So she looks most exquisite, most beautiful, surrounded by all her associates. In one hand, she's taking a lotus, unveiling the lotus like this. Naturally, try to imagine a rich girl born in a rich family. She's not just a rich girl, she's the source of all riches. And that Lakshmi, it is said that in the left hand she has a lotus, but in right hand she has a broomstick. So why did she take a broomstick in the hand? Such a source of all riches, Lakshmi. Because in the spiritual world, she wants to sweep the floor, which is looking like a mirror. The floor has no dust at all in spiritual world. It looks like mirror. Everything is made of emerald and coral and ruby and pearls like that. But she's still sweeping it. Why? To see a smile on the face of Lord Vishnu. She wants to please Lord Vishnu. So she's doing this little service by which when Lord Vishnu smiles, she's very happy and satisfied. Just like Keshavi, if you get first rank in the class, your mother will become happy, father will become happy, isn't it? Similarly, Lakshmi wants to do this little service, so Lord Vishnu will become pleased. Same way, Prataparudra, Raja, he took he became like a sweeper, although he was king of Orissa, he took the broomstick and swept in front of the cart of Lord Jagannath to please Lord Jagannath. And Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu saw that. And he saw the Tucha Seva, we call it, little service. But Mahaprabhu became very pleased. Oh, this king is not proud at all. He is king of Orissa, but he is coming and sweeping the floor in front of Jagannath's cart. And he is declaring to the whole world, I am not the king. Jagannath is the king. Jagannath is king of the whole universe. So he is proclaiming it to all the people. So Lord Chaitanya became pleased and gave his mercy to Prataparudra. Similarly, little Keshavi can assist her mother and father in sweeping the home and keeping it very clean for the pleasure of Shri Shri Gaur Nitai and Radha and Krishna. So if you do little services in your life, you will, just like Lakshmi pleased Lord Narayana, you will also be able to easily please him, because in spiritual life, you don't have to do big things. We can do small things, but with a service attitude. All right? Thank you very much. Very wonderful family. Very happy that you have regulated the system of reading. Keep it up. Very nice, Prabhu. Thank you. Hare Krishna.
Thank you very much, Prabhuji, for giving us your blessing. We just give more blessings so that we can read them. Like we had Srimad Bhagavatam for 1 decade, but we didn't do much reading. Now only we started. We just seek your blessing so that we can continue it every day. It should be part of our life.
Sure, Prabhu. I'll surely pray that may Krishna and Guru bless you. You are taking a very nice initiative and a regulated habit. All grihasthas can take great inspiration from this example. Continue it nicely. Thank you. Hare Krishna.